Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best FPV drones available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have SANROCK FPV Drones. It is built-in 1080p HD camera with 90 degrees adjustable angle FPV real-time transmission. You are able to see real-time first-person view on the app. The video clips are automatically saved to the micro SD card. You edit HD footage and directly upload it to social media from your iPhone or iPad. This camera drone can perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app. Map brings you spectacular flying experiences. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor enables the drone follow your phone's direction. This drone does auto hovering, this mode that ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude when focus on take great aerial pictures and videos. At number 4 we have EMAX FPV Drones. This is the Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle RTF kit. This Tinyhawk 2 Freestyle drone FPV Goggles Controller 2x1's 450 mAh batteries, 2x18,650 battery, spare propellers, carrying case. This is a perfect kit for outdoor beginners. At number 3 we have CHUBORY FPV Drones. It comes with upgrade 2 batteries. You can enjoy playing with the drone for 40+ minutes. Also foldable and flexible blades make the drone small and portable. You do not need to register the drone or get a drone pilot certificate. The HD front camera and bottom optical flow camera are switchable. That's enabling you to have both wonderful real-time images from the sky and the terrain situation under the aircraft. It is an altitude hold quadcopter. It protective guards and composite aircraft body material, added durability for hard landings or crashes. At number 2 we have miara FPV Drones. It provides an accurate positioning details of your drone for a safer fly. And also helps to achieve the astronomically return function when it is non-signal, which is free or worry from losing the drone. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi module. You can watch what your camera sees with a live video and aerial photos in real time on your mobile device via the app. You will receive the drone with 3 batteries and a carrying bag. It is easy for you to shoot quality images or videos by gestures. At number 1 we have iFlight FPV Drones. This iFlight Protect 35 BNF new yellow protection duct design, stylish and beautiful appearance. It is built with high-performance true AIO board, Beast Whoop F7 AIO 45A. And a basic bit and filter tuning was applied for a great flight experience. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best FPV drones for your need.